In this video, I'm going to show you how you can see your Reddit achievements. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So your Reddit usage normally leads to achievements, and you can see the open achievements that are available for your account. To see your achievements, log into your Reddit account and then go to this profile icon. From the profile icon, if you click on it, now you can see we have this option for 8 achievements. Currently, you can see there are 8 achievements remaining to be unlocked for my account. If you click on it, here you'll be able to see the achievements that you already have, and you can see these are the already unlocked achievements, while the grade 1 are still locked, and you can see there are quite a number of them. So you can scroll down. Under each category, we have various categories such as exploration, getting started, we have building community. Under this, we have 16 of them. I haven't unlocked any. We also have others under community moderation, and I have unlocked one, and we have Reddit streak. As you can see, this is in progress. So that's how you can see your Reddit achievements by following these steps. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.